If you're looking for a car that stands the test of time, reliability is key. Certain vehicles are designed to exceed 200,000 miles with regular maintenance. Backed by Consumer Reports data, these cars offer low upkeep costs, solid engineering, and proven durability. Whether you need a rugged SUV, a dependable sedan, or a hybrid that refuses to quit, we've rounded up 5 of the most reliable cars on the market today. Let's dive in. Number 5. Honda CR-V. When it comes to finding a dependable SUV, the Honda CR-V is a name that consistently stands out. For decades, it has earned a reputation for being spacious, fuel-efficient, and exceptionally durable. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or need a reliable family vehicle, the CR-V has repeatedly proven that it can go the extra mile, literally. With proper maintenance, many CR-Vs comfortably reach 200,000 to 300,000 miles, and it's not uncommon to find models still running strong after 20 years on the road. Honda's robust engineering, superior materials, and practical design contribute to this longevity, making the CR-V one of the most durable vehicles in its class. For 2025, Honda offers 2 engine options: a 1.5-liter turbocharged gas engine and a hybrid variant designed to maximize fuel efficiency. The best part? Both versions score high on reliability, with real-world data showing minimal major issues even as mileage climbs. But don't just take our word for it. Consumer Reports gave the 2025 CR-V a reliability score of 77, ranking it among the most dependable SUVs of the year. This isn't surprising, considering the CR-V is known for low maintenance expenses, with many owners spending as little as $400 per year on upkeep. In an era where many modern SUVs prioritize flashy technology over long-term dependability, the Honda CR-V stays true to what really matters: reliability, efficiency, and practicality. It's no wonder so many families refuse to drive anything else. If you're looking for an SUV that can easily last 15 to 20 years, the Honda CR-V is one of the smartest investments you can make. Number 4. Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross is the SUV equivalent of a no-nonsense planner: quiet, orderly, and always right on time. Consumer Reports ranks it among the most reliable compact SUVs in its class. Backed by solid data from the 2022 through 2024 model years, the Corolla Cross consistently posts above-average predicted reliability scores. This isn't hype. This is a track record built on routine, repetition, and results. No surprise breakdowns. No dashboard light roulette. Just steady, everyday performance you can trust, like a car version of a thermostat set to peace of mind. Under the hood, it may not scream horsepower, but it doesn't need to. What the Corolla Cross lacks in flash, it makes up for in bulletproof dependability. It's designed for people who don't want to think about their car, because it just works. Starting around $24,000, with fully loaded models coming in just under $30,000, it's a practical investment with low ownership costs. Owners love how it keeps maintenance expenses minimal, rarely throwing unexpected repairs your way. And sure, it won't get your heart racing, but neither will it leave you stranded. It's the kind of vehicle that quietly passes 100,000 miles while other SUVs are still figuring out how to behave. If reliability had a face, the Corolla Cross would be it. Always calm, always prepared, and never the one making strange noises when you start it up. Number 3. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is designed to last if you require an SUV that can tackle anything, from off-road excursions to city streets. The 2025 model carries on the tradition of this compact SUV being one of the most durable and dependable cars available. A key component of the Forester's resilience is Subaru's renowned symmetrical all-wheel drive technology. This technology continually distributes power to all 4 wheels, delivering consistent stability and traction while minimizing wear on vital components, in contrast to many AWD configurations that only operate when necessary. The Forester is designed to stay in control and go the additional distance, whether you're driving on muddy trails, snowy highways, or steep inclines. The Forester's flat boxer engine is another important component that contributes to its lifespan. By lowering the vehicle's center of gravity, this innovative engine design enhances stability and lessens drivetrain strain. The horizontal piston movement's decreased vibration eventually results in less engine wear. This SUV's durability is demonstrated by the fact that many Forester owners report traveling well over 200,000 miles with no need for repairs. The Forester is one of the most trustworthy SUVs in its class, with a 2025 Consumer Reports dependability score of 78 out of 100. In addition to its toughness, owners like it for its long-term durability and cheap maintenance expenses. The Subaru Forester is among the greatest SUVs available if you're searching for one with unparalleled dependability and all-terrain toughness. Number 2. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is unmatched in long-term reliability. As one of the world's best-selling cars since 1966, it has earned a reputation for simplicity, efficiency, and durability. With routine maintenance, Corollas easily surpass 300,000 miles. Some even reach 1 million miles, like a famous 1993 model that covered the equivalent of 40 trips around the Earth. Its no-nonsense design is key to its longevity. Unlike modern cars with complex electronics and high-maintenance turbocharged engines, the Corolla's naturally aspirated powertrain minimizes failure points. Fewer moving parts mean fewer issues, making it one of the most dependable compact cars ever built. A sturdy steel body, rust-resistant coatings, and a well-engineered suspension further enhance its lifespan, allowing it to handle harsh weather, long trips, and daily commutes with ease. For 2025, Toyota continues to refine this winning formula. Consumer Reports awarded it a reliability score of 84, ranking it among the top-rated compact cars of the year. Plus, improved fuel efficiency means savings on both gas and maintenance. If you want a low-maintenance car built to last decades, the Toyota Corolla remains one of the best choices on the road. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is at the top of the list of SUVs that stand the test of time. It has led reliability rankings for more than 10 years, consistently demonstrating that it is among the most reliable and durable cars available. What therefore gives the RAV4 its extraordinary durability? Toyota's incredibly reliable engineering is the key. A 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an 8-speed automatic gearbox form the core of the 2025 RAV4. This combination is straightforward, effective, and long-lasting. The RAV4's powertrain is built to survive hundreds of thousands of miles with few problems, in contrast to contemporary turbocharged engines that need expensive maintenance. In every way, Toyota has strengthened the RAV4's durability. It has a timing chain rather than a belt, which lowers maintenance expenses and the need for replacements. The strengthened chassis and rust-resistant body panels provide an additional layer of durability, guaranteeing that the RAV4 remains in excellent condition even during severe weather. The 2025 RAV4 is ranked among the most reliable SUVs by Consumer Reports, demonstrating Toyota's dedication to building durable SUVs. Still not persuaded? Ask owners of RAV4s. Numerous SUV owners say that their vehicles endure well over 300,000 miles. Some even reach 400,000 miles on regular maintenance alone, which is the equivalent of 16 round trips around the planet. Check dependability ratings, owner reviews, and actual longevity statistics before purchasing your next vehicle. A reliable automobile is an investment in stress-free driving, not simply a wise purchase. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.